Y'all, I guess you could say this is a quick update video. They called me today. The 420 officially has the lift on. The shock's tightened. I don't know when my dad's gonna be able to take me up there to pick it up with the trailer, but whenever he does, we're gonna go get it. It'll be back by the end of the week. That's all I know. But I just wanted to show y'all. I made a display of all my old shell boxes. I got a bunch of Winchester, Remington, Federal. I got a lot of it. Some Estate. Where's an Estate? Right up there, and there's another one down there. Here's all the shells and turtle I got from it. This is all birdshot. I separated most of it. I got a little bit of turkey, most of it's bird. This isn't even half the Remingtons. That's just the ones that couldn't go over here. I'll show y'all that in a minute. This is all my 20. I just put all the 20 in that. I already shot like half of it. I just dumped the extra turkey in this box I have. Flat for just shotgun ski, like 4H. So I have just Remingtons and Fiocchi down here, and just leftover Remingtons from mass practice. Down here, this is all Federal right here. These are like good. Then under these Federals, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show y'all. There's a ton of Remington and Winchester on the bottom. I just kind of threw all of them in there. But yeah, that's it. I just want to tell y'all that. Peace.